Hi friends, good morning. Today let us see the rank of a word. The rank of a word in two cases, where the first case is no repetition. Repetition of letters is not there. That is first case. And the second case where the repetition of letters is there. Let us see how to solve the problem in a easy manner. See, what is the rank of the word? What is the rank of the word random? This is the first case, friends, where repetition of letters is not there. All are different letters. So in this case, how to find the rank of the word random? Rank of the word random means if all the letters of the word random, are permuted in all possible ways and arrange them in a dictionary order, then what will be the position of or what will be the rank of random? So here we are going by a small shortcut manner, because you are in MSET, unless you go by this way it will take more time. So see, first you have to do, now let us find the rank of the word random. Write random here, and write the letters of the word random in an alphabetical manner. So the first letter is A, the next is D, the next is M, next N, next O, next R. First you have to write like this. Given word at the bottom, and above that all the letters of the word random in alphabetical way. So first you have to do like this, friends. R. How many letters are remaining at the left hand side? How many letters are remaining in the left hand side? 5 letters, friends. 5 into. How many letters are there to the right of this? 5 letters. So this is taken as 5 factorial. This is after cancelling first letter R. How many letters are remaining in the left side? That is taken as only 5. And at the bottom, how many letters are remain? 5 letters are there to the right of R. 5 letters are there. Here we have to take it as a 5 factorial. Okay, friends? 5 into 5 factorial. Okay, friends? Next, cut A. So no letters to the left of the word A. 0 into 4 factorial. Plus, let us cut N. 2 letters are there to the left side and 3 letters are there on the right side. 3 factorial. Plus, let us cut D. No letter to the left of D and 2 letters are there to the right of D. Plus, let us cut O. 1 letter is there to the left of the O and 1 letter is there to the right of the O. 1 factorial. Plus, after cutting M, after cutting M, no letter is there and no letter is there. So 0 into 0 factorial. After doing all these things, we have to add plus 1. To get the rank of the word random. 5 factorial 120. 5 into 120 600 plus 0 into anything 0 plus 3 factorial 6 into 2 12 0 into 2 factorial 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 600 612 613 614. So 614 is the rank of the word random. 614 is the rank of the word random. Fine friends, let us do one more problem. What is the rank of the word Zenith? What is the rank of the word Zenith? This is also first case. That is, all the letters are different letters. No repetition is there. Repetition of letters is not there. All the 6 letters are different letters. Okay, friends. First you have to write the given word, say denominator. In the numerator, we have to write all the letters in alphabetical manner. First smallest letter is E, next bigger H, next bigger I, next bigger N, next bigger T, next bigger Z. Right, friends? Now let us cut Z. So 5 letters left side into 5 letters right side. 5 into 5 factorial plus, let us cut E, 0 letters in the left side into 4 letters on the right side, plus let us cut N, 2 letters on the left side and 3 letters on the right side. So here only number of letters, here factorial of number of letters, plus let us cut I, only 1 letter is remaining on the left side and 2 letters are remaining on the right side, plus after cutting T, 1 letter is remaining on the left side and 1 letter is remaining on the right side, plus cutting H, 0 into 0 factorial. After doing all this simplification, we have to add 1. To get the rank of the given word. 5 into 5 factorial. 600 plus 0 plus 6 into 2, 12 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. 612, 614, 616. 616 is the rank of the word Zenith. Okay, friends, let us see one more problem. What is the rank of the word mother? This is a very familiar example. What is the rank of the word mother? See, first we have to, in the denominator, we have to write the word mother. In the denominator, you have to write mother. Here in the numerator, same numerator. In the numerator, let us write in alphabetical way. E is the smallest, next H is the smallest, next M, next R, and next O, next R, next T. Okay friends, E, H, M, O, R, T, this is the alphabetical ascending way. So, as we did in the previous problem, M, left side 2 letters remaining, left side 2 letters remaining, right side 5 letters remaining. So 5 factorial plus let us cut O, 2 letters remaining on the left side, 4 letters remaining on the right side. Let us cut T. 1, 2, 3. 3 letters remaining on the left side and 3 letters remaining on the right side. And let us cut H. 1 letter remaining on the left side, 2 letters remaining on the right side. Let us cut E. 0 letters remaining on the left side and 1 letter is remaining on the right side. Plus after cutting R, 0 into 0 factorial plus 1. This is going to be the rank of the word mother. 5 factorial 120 into 2, 240 plus 4 factorial 24, 24 2s 48, 3 factorial 6, 6 3s 18, 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 0 plus 1, 240, 288, 306, 308, 309. So the rank of the word mother is 309. The rank of the word mother is 309. Okay friends, this is the case where the letters of the word are repeated. The letters of the word not repeated. No repetition is there. Repetition of letters is not there. This is very simple to find the rank of the word. Friends, now let us examine the case where repetition of letters, where the repetition of letters is there. See what is the college? What is the rank of the word college? If all the letters of the word college are permuted and arranged in dictionary order, what will be the rank of the word college? Here repetition is there. 2 L's are there and 2 E's are there. Let us carefully examine, friends, how this problem is to be done. College. See friends, starting with the smallest letter, let us give the numbers to this. This is 1, this is 2, of course this is also 2. Sorry friends, C is there. C is 1, E is the next bigger and G is the next bigger, L is the next bigger, O is the biggest letter. First you have to do this. COLLEGE. C is the smallest letter. Let us give the value 1. And E is the next bigger. So let us give 2 to E. And the next bigger letter is G. Say it is 3. Next bigger letter L. Let us give it to 4. And the biggest is 5. After this, what we have to do is see C rank is 1. C rank is 1. Is there any letter less than rank 1? No. 0 upon. Is there any repetition of letters? No. So that is 0 factorial. Clear, friends? First we are starting from C. What is C's rank? 1. C's rank 1. Is there any letter which is below 1? No. So 0 upon, including C, how many repetitions are there? See, repetitions 2 L's are there and 2 E's are there. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is for C. Including C, how many repetitions are there? There is only one C. 2 L's are there, 2 E's are there. Okay, friends. Then 5. How many letters are there having rank less than 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 upon. How many repetitions are there? 2 factorial. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus 4. How many letters are there less than 4? 3 letters are there. 3 upon how many repetitions are there, including this L? This is 2 L's are there, 2 E's are there. 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus, take this L. How many are there less than 4? 3 upon how many repetitions are there? Only 2 E's are there. 2 factorial plus E. No letters. The rank of E is 2. There is no letter less than 2. 0 upon. See how many repetitions are there. Repetition including E. There are 2 letters. 2 E's plus coming to G. So there is one letter less than G and no repetition, 0 factorial plus coming to E, 0 by 0 factorial. After doing this, we have to multiply these things. See, this is 0 plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. We have to multiply with, this should be multiplied with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. This should be multiplied with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. 0 into 6 factorial 0 plus 5 by 4 into 5 factorial 5 by 4 into 5 factorial 120 plus 3 by 4 into 4 factorial 24 plus 3 by 2 into 3 factorial 6 plus 0 into 2 factorial 0 plus 1 into 1 factorial 1 plus 0 into 0 factorial 0. 4 30s, 4 6s, 2 3s, 35s 150 plus 6 3s 18 plus 3 3s 9 plus 1 150 168 178 plus 1 179. After doing all these things, we have to add plus 1. So the rank of the word college is 179. The rank of the word college is 179. Okay, friends, clear friends. Shall do one more example, then we will be more clear. Secret. See, rank of the word secret. Here repetition is there. Two E's are there. C, S, E, C, R, E, T. C is the smallest one. Next bigger E. Next bigger R. So we have to give numbers like this. After this, what we are doing, please carefully observe. See, the rank of S is 4. How many letters are there less than 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are there. 4 upon. Is there any repetition? No repetition. So 0 factorial. 4. Is there any? 2 is are there. 2 factorial. Is there any repetition of letters? 2 is are there. 2 factorial. See what is numerator? How many numbers are there? How many letters are there less than 4? How many letters are there less than 4? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are there. 4. What is denominator? How many repetitions are there? Including S. How many repetitions are there? Only 2 E's are repeated. So by 2 factorial. Next E. The rank of E is 2. How many letters are there which are less than 1, less than 2? Only 1. 1 upon. How many repetitions are there including E? 2 repetitions by 2 factorial plus there is no letter less than 1. So 0 by no repetition plus or. I'm taking or, there is one letter right side friends. You have to always see right side. How many letters are repeated? How many letters are there which are less than 3? 1 upon no repetition. With R, how many letters are repeated? No letters are repeated. Taking E, there is no right side, there is no letter less than 2. 0 by factorial. See, is there any repetition? No repetition. Plus T, no letter by no repetition, plus 1. We have to, after doing this, we have to see 4 by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2, 4 by 2, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. So we have to multiply with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. 5 factorial 120, 120 into 2, 240. 4 factorial 24, 24 into 1 by 2, 12. 0 into 3 factorial 0. 1 into 2 factorial 2 plus 0 into 1 factorial 0 plus 0 into 0 factorial 0 plus 1. 240, 252, 254, 255. So the rank of the word secret is 255. The rank of the word secret is 255. Okay friends, let us see one more problem for more clarity. What is the rank of the word success? What is the rank of the word success? See, S, U, C, C, E, S, S. See the smallest U, C, C, E, S, S, small success. See, there are 2 C's. The smallest is C, 1, 1. The next bigger, 2. The next bigger, S. So, 3, 3. Next bigger, U, 4. C is the smallest, 1. Next bigger, E, 2. Next bigger, S. S is given 3. And next bigger, 4. Okay. So, what to do friends? In the numerator, how many letters are there less than 3? How many letters are there to the right side? To the right side. How many letters are there less than 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 upon. How many repetitions are there including S? 3 S are there, 3 factorial into 2 C's are there, 2 factorial. Right friends? 3 by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. What is numerator? What is the here? What is the figure we are giving here? The number of letters less than 3. 1, 2, 3. Upon what is this factorials? How many repetitions are there including this S? How many S's are there? 3 S's are there, 3 factorial into 2 C's are there, 2 factorial. Okay friends. Plus coming to you 4 here. How many letters are there less than 4? 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is in the numerator. What is to be given in the denominator? Okay friends, coming to you, what is the numerator part? Number of letters less than 4. 5 letters are there less than 4. So 5 by how many repetitions are there after to the right of you, including you and to the right of you? 2 C's are there, 2 S's are there. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus coming to C. The rank of C is rank of C is 1. So number of letters less than 1, 0 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 2 factorial into 2 factorial, plus coming to this C, 0, no letters less than 1, no letters less than 1, 0 by how many repetitions are there after C? 2 S's are there only. Coming to E, less than 2, no letters, 0 by 2 S's are there, 2 factorial. Coming to this S, no letters are there, less than 3 to the right side, by 2 factorial, 2 S's are there, 2 factorial, plus this one 0 by 0 factorial, plus 1, plus 1. This is 3 by 6 into 2, 12, 3 by 12, 3 by 12, plus 5 by 2 into 2, 4, plus this is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. After this you have to multiply with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. 3 by 12 into 6 factorial, 720, plus 5 by 4 into 5 factorial, 120, plus all these are zeros, plus 1, plus 1. 12 60s, 63s, 180, plus 4 30s, 35s, 150, plus this one, last one, 331. 331 is the rank of the word success. Okay friends, have a nice day.